I bought and tested these dash cameras so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Driving can be unpredictable, and having the right dash cam can make all the difference. In this video, I'll take you through the top 5 best front and rear dash cameras available, sharing my first-hand experiences and insights. Product number 1, Teransol 4K plus 4K dash cam. When I first got my hands on the Teransol D016 dash cam, I was genuinely excited. I mean, 4K recording on both the front and rear? That's a game changer. After unboxing, I was impressed by how complete the package was. It comes with a free 128GB memory card, which is great because you can start recording right away without any additional purchases. The installation was surprisingly straightforward. I managed to set it up in less than an hour thanks to the detailed manual and included tools. Once I hit the road, the dual-channel recording blew my mind. The front camera captures a whopping 170-degree wide-angle view, which is perfect for those long highways where you want to catch everything happening around you. The clarity is phenomenal, both during the day and at night, thanks to the Super Starlight night vision technology. I remember driving home one night and there was this moment where I thought I wouldn't catch the license plate of a car that cut me off, but there it was, crystal clear in the footage. The built-in GPS feature is another highlight. I loved being able to see my speed and exact location on the 3-inch IPS screen. It gives you peace of mind knowing that all your driving data is being logged. Plus, the G sensor automatically locks footage during any incidents, so you don't have to worry about losing critical evidence. I tested the parking mode as well, and it performed as advertised, capturing events while I was away from the car. Now, like any product, it has its pros and cons. On the plus side, the 4K recording is top-notch, and the app control is super convenient for accessing footage on my smartphone. The included 128GB card offers plenty of storage, and the customer service is responsive, which is a big plus for any tech product. On the downside, I found that the hardwire kit for parking mode wasn't included, which could be a hassle for some. Also, the initial setup might be a bit daunting for those not tech-savvy. Product number 2, Rove R2 4K Dual Dash Cam. The Rove R2 4K Dual Dash Cam quickly became one of my favorites after I put it through its paces. Upon unboxing, the sleek design stood out to me, and I appreciated the inclusion of a 128GB memory card right out of the gate. Installation was a breeze, and I was able to mount it securely in my car without any issue. What really grabbed my attention was the dual recording capability. The front camera shoots in stunning 4K, while the rear captures in 1080p. I took the camera on a weekend road trip, and let me tell you, the footage was nothing short of cinematic. The 150-degree front angle and 140-degree rear angle covered all bases, giving me peace of mind that nothing would slip through the cracks. The built-in Sony Starvis 2 sensor played a crucial role in capturing vivid colors and details even in low-light situations. One night, I had to drive through a poorly lit area and the camera still picked up everything clearly. The night vision technology is truly impressive, and it's one of those features you'll appreciate when you need it the most. Another standout feature is the ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi. The Rove app allowed me to manage my recordings easily and download them to my phone at lightning speed, up to 20 megabytes per second. This made sharing memorable moments with friends and family a piece of cake. The GPS functionality also adds a layer of detail to your recordings, showing real-time speed and location data, which I found particularly useful. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the pro side, the image quality is phenomenal, and the fast download speeds via the app are a game changer. The built-in super capacitor means it can withstand extreme temperatures, ensuring longevity. However, a slight downside is that the parking mode requires a hardwire kit, which isn't included, so that's an additional expense. Also, while the camera is quite user-friendly, it can feel overwhelming at first for those who aren't tech-savvy. Product number 3, Red Tiger F7 NP Dash Cam. When it comes to affordability and performance, the Red Tiger F7 NP Dash Cam exceeded my expectations. Right from the start, I was impressed with the dual 4K and 1080p recording capabilities. The 170-degree wide-angle front lens captures an impressive amount of detail, while the rear camera covers all angles with its 140-degree view. I installed the camera in my car and the setup was straightforward, making it accessible for anyone, even those with minimal tech experience. During a recent trip, I put the F7NP to the test. The video quality was remarkable, with the Starvis 2 sensor allowing for exceptional clarity and detail, both during the day and in low light conditions. I specifically remember a moment where a car suddenly cut me off, and the camera captured the event in stunning detail, providing solid evidence just in case I needed it. The WDR technology did a great job balancing light and dark areas, ensuring the footage was always clear. The built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi was another fantastic feature. Using the Red Tiger app, I could quickly download videos to my phone, and the process was seamless. The GPS functionality is a game changer too, allowing me to track my speed and route directly on the video, which is invaluable for insurance claims or just for my own records. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. The pros? Excellent video quality, especially at night, and the app integration makes it easy to manage footage. The included 128GB card is a huge plus, giving you ample space without needing to buy more right away. However, the cons include that the hardwire kit for parking mode isn't included, which could be a drawback for some users. Additionally, while the camera is feature-rich, the interface could be a bit more intuitive for first-time users. Product number 4. iWi N5 4-channel dashcam. If you're in the market for a versatile dashcam, the iWi N5 might be exactly what you need. I was intrigued by the 360-degree recording capability, which is something I hadn't experienced before. After setting it up, I realized it wasn't just a gimmick. It genuinely provided comprehensive coverage around my vehicle. The installation was simple, and the included cables made it easy to mount both the front and rear cameras. Taking the N5 out for a spin, I was impressed with the 1080p video quality across all channels. I live in a busy urban area, and having that extra coverage made me feel secure. The side cameras captured quite a bit of action, ensuring I didn't miss any incidents that might occur around my car. The night vision capability, backed by 8 IR lamps, really shone during evening drives, capturing clear footage even in dimly lit conditions. One feature that stood out to me was the G sensor, which automatically locks footage during sudden impacts. I had a mild fender bender one day, and it was comforting to know that the camera had automatically secured the evidence for me. Additionally, the app control via 5G Wi-Fi made it easy to manage recordings and share important clips on the go. However, this camera isn't without its drawbacks. The lack of GPS is a noticeable omission for those who want to log their speed and location data. The requirement to keep it powered via a cigarette lighter might also be inconvenient for some users. Another minor downside is that the camera must be connected to the front unit, which could limit installation options. Product number 5. Viro X5 Dashcam. Let's talk about the Viro X5, a compact yet powerful dashcam. I was drawn to its impressive 4K front and 2.5K rear recording capabilities, which promised high-definition clarity. After setting it up, I was pleasantly surprised by its touchscreen interface. The 3.39-inch screen made navigating settings and reviewing footage easy, even while parked. On the road, the video quality was simply outstanding. The combination of the f1.8 aperture and WDR technology ensured that I captured clear footage regardless of lighting conditions. I took it on a night drive, and the video was so crisp that I could easily identify license plates. The wide angles, 170 degrees for the front and 165 degrees for the rear, minimized blind spots, giving me confidence while driving. Loop recording is another essential feature, and the X5 delivered seamlessly. I never had to worry about running out of storage space thanks to the included 64GB memory card. It automatically overwrites older footage, ensuring continuous recording. Additionally, the parking mode, which activates when motion is detected, provides peace of mind when my car is parked. However, there are a few cons to consider. While the compact design is convenient, some users might prefer a more robust build. Additionally, while the app works well, it could benefit from a more user-friendly interface. The lack of GPS might also be a deal breaker for those who want detailed logging of their drives. In summary, if you're looking for a compact dashcam that delivers excellent video quality and user-friendly features, the Viro X5 is a great option. It's perfect for anyone who wants reliable coverage without the bulkiness of larger models. Overall, each of these dash cameras brings something unique to the table. Whether you're looking for high-definition recording, advanced features, or budget-friendly options, there's a dashcam on this list that fits your needs. I highly recommend investing in one of these models to ensure you capture every moment on the road, because you never know when you might need that footage.